Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making native jollof rice, so keep watching to see how I made this. Here are my ingredients: smoked turkey, smoked catfish, onions, scotch bonnet pepper and red bell peppers. To make the stew base, I've added palm oil in a pot and allow it to heat up. Next I will go in with my chopped onions and allow it to fry for a while. Next I will add my crayfish and pepper mix, smoked turkey, smoked catfish. I'm going to season with seasoning cubes and all-purpose seasoning. I will stir well to combine and allow it to fry.
This food is yummy.
Once that is done, I will remove the catfish because I don't want it to break. I will proceed by adding my parboiled rice. I will stir well to combine and add water to the level of the rice. This for salt, I added all-purpose seasoning. I will add the catfish back to the pot, cover with foil and allow it to cook on a low heat. At this time, I check on the rice and remove the catfish. I'm going to add my scent leaf, mix well to combine. I will transfer the fish back to the pot, cover and allow it to steam cook for a while or until the water dries. Few minutes later, our rice is ready. I'm going to give it a good mix and we are done. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.